How to use EMC NMM Exchange Admin Configuration Utility. To use the tool, you must be logged in with domain administrator permissions. After installing NMM, you must run the tool once on each Exchange server to configure the backup account on that host. For the tool to properly function at minimum, install .NET Framework 4.5, which enables IIS components. Configure admin user. Create a new account or configure an existing account as an NMM Exchange administrator account in Active Directory. On the home page, select Configure Admin User. To create a new admin, click Create New Admin. Under the action, type in the new name, just a username. Type in a new password. Confirm it. Select the database, assign organization management rights, and click Configure. To configure an existing user, type in the existing username, type in the password, check Assign Organization Management Rights, click Configure. Validate an existing admin. Verify that an existing NMM Exchange administrator account is correctly configured. Click Validate an existing admin. Type in the name of the user. We will use the previously created user. Enter the password. Click Validate. Select the server that we're currently on, which is Win1. Update admin password. You can modify the password of an existing NMM Exchange administrator account and update the registry credentials. And lastly, to update an admin password, you've already configured the registered user. It picks the previous user we configured, NMM Exchange 3. Enter the old password and confirm the new password. This concludes our demonstration. Thank you.